Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to lesson 5, where we are going to talk about the perspective grid that I want to use now. As I told you in previous lessons, I wanted to represent the position and the frontal perspective of our robot in a three-dimensional view. So that's why I'm going to use a kind of 3D view. So I'm going to use the symmetry to work with different vanishing points. This way I'll have a grid which will allow me to represent our robot with more volume. To enable symmetry, go to this panel over here and activate it. Then go to this tab and select the option New Vertical. Then we'll see this line that I'm going to make longer until it reaches the edges of the canvas. As you can see, if we draw on one side, it's reflected automatically on the other side. Now click on the first vanishing point and drag the mouse until the opposite side below. As you can see, this line is reflected on the other side and we get this kind of X. So just repeat creating this line until we get a grid with these little squares. So this step is not that difficult, just lines to create a grid. I'll give you a file with the grid I used for my designs in case you don't want to make it by yourselves. Although guys, I recommend you to do it to practice with the perspectives. As I said, you'll find this file in the tab Settings if you want to use it. Well guys, I wanted to show you this before starting working with the perspective so that you understand how I made it and also to answer any question you might have before beginning with the next lesson. Well, I'm going to delete this part over here to get a straight line. And here we have our grid. It's true it's a bit irregular, but I made it quickly. So guys, this is the end of the lesson. Hope you find it useful and you like it. See you in the next one. Bye!